Hi, my lovely Taurans. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. Taurans, today we are going to do collective reading for your sign for the month of March 2021. Okay. In March, Tarot Talks is going to complete one complete year, 1 year, and I'm so excited. I'll be offering 20% off on all my readings, guys. So, all my personal readings, I mean. So, please pass the word to those who you think might, help with this. Okay, so yeah. So coming back to you guys, please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. You would also want to check your other placements in your birth chart. Okay. Moon, rising, Venus, to get a better understanding. So, Taurans, when I was meditating on your energy, I could feel someone who is quite hassled, who is just running around the clock, doing too many things, too many things. Office work, children, kids, household chores, all that stuff. And that person is, kind of finally coming and sitting and, just sitting and being in the present moment, just enjoying the bliss, just being with herself. It was a feminine energy, but it could be anyone. Okay. So that person was just trying to breathe and just be in the moment, and that person was quite content with herself. That energy was quite content with whatever is happening in life right now. So even if life is busy, that person was happy about it. There were no complaints. Okay, like running around for the kids, no matter how much tired you get, you will never get bored of it, or you would never complain about it, that kind of energy I was getting. Yeah, so it was a very nice and sweet energy, guys. But definitely you guys need to take time to relax and find some time for your own self, because there was one card, oracle card, that popped for almost 3 to 4 times, and which was playtime. Okay, so definitely the spirit guides or the gods, whoever you believe in, they want you to find time for yourself. Okay, just indulge into some activities that will make you happy as a person, as an individual. Okay, also another message that kept on popping was your loved ones are safe. Okay, so if any of you guys are worried about too much about your family or kids or your or the people you love and care for, please don't get worried, don't be worried. Everything is fine and they are being taken care of by the gods, is what I was getting. Okay, so yeah, let's get started, guys, and see what we have for you guys for the month of March 2021. I'm still saying impulsively 20. Oh my god. The table popped up right at the center of the reading. I wonder why. Okay, I'll keep these cards a little here so that I can place the remaining cards that side. Wow. Oh, what is going on, Taurans? Interesting. The energy at the bottom of the deck is that of an emperor. Okay, let me take that. Yeah, there's fool also wanting to break free. Oh, 8 of wands, speedy communication coming up your way. 4 of pentacles. Yeah, wow. I'll take the sun also because I like that card a lot. Okay, so the crowning or the energy in the current scenario is that of devil. Now this is a Capricorn energy, guys. Probably you have Capricorn in your chart somewhere, or you are dealing with a fellow Capricorn, but need not be the case. It might be just the energies that someone is embodying. So this is something which is a little obsessive. Okay, some sort of obsessive energy, something which is a little heading towards toxicity. Okay, so if this is you who is heavily thinking about something or is obsessing about something, then please take a note of that, guys. stay away from any sort of toxic patterns, toxic behavior. If you are getting addicted to something or someone, maybe it can be a small thing, like small things such as binge watching, binge eating. Just be aware, okay, and stay away from this toxicity, okay. But interestingly, this is crossed by Five of Pentacles, so I feel that this could be someone at your workplace also, someone bothering you at your workplace, okay, or this is someone whom you trusted once and that person somehow let you down, guys, okay. Someone that left you in the cold, and someone kind of what do I say, yeah, left you down, and someone who is behaving a little in a not so positive manner is what I see. Yeah, this to me looks like toxicity of at workplace, okay. This to me looks like some kind of unhealthy competition, some kind of jealousy around, okay. So please be aware and please be little mindful, okay. What do you talk about, whom do you talk to, okay. Stay away from any small talks. I'm sure you're not doing that, but then make sure that you're not confiding into wrong people, okay. You never know how the information will be used, okay. So just be aware and careful, guys. Yeah, because there I do see some toxicity and toxic behavior surrounding you, guys. Yeah, the energy in the recent past is that of ten of Pentacles. Now this is a very beautiful energy. This to me talks about abundance, talks about good family time, good materialistically abundant time. Maybe some of you guys have received some money, like huge money, I won't say even some, huge money unexpectedly from somewhere through some inheritance. Maybe you guys had a property deal, you invested in some property, or you bought some property, or any tangible asset, like a house, a car maybe, okay. But something related to money or materialistic world, some abundant period is what I see over here. Yeah, that's a beautiful energy in your recent past, guys. In your immediate future, I see that of an energy of Nine of Wands. Now this definitely is you, guys. Like I said, while meditating, I was getting energy of someone who is doing a lot of things, lot of things, taking too many responsibilities, okay. This could be you at workplace also, guys, who is trying to do things that you can actually handle. So if that's the case, don't do, guys. You are getting exhausted, okay. That is making you live exhausted. You are carrying too much of burden, okay. So please try to delegate work, that try to get delegate tasks that you can, okay, and take it a bit easy, guys. Definitely you are stressing too much over work, okay. That's the kind of energy I'm seeing over here. Yeah, the energy at the crowning level is that of Ace of Wands, and interestingly at the subconscious is Ace of Wands, and at the crown level is that of Tower. Now this is something kind of a awakening, okay. Some event or something that's going to happen in your life, which will be kind of a game changer, okay. It will make you see things through different perspectives. It will kind of push you forward to take the right action, okay. I feel that some of you guys are going to start afresh in terms of their career, okay. I feel that you are finally, this is very specific, it's not applicable to all, but I really feel that there is a group of people who are going to leave behind the toxic work environment that you have been putting through for quite some time. You have been procrastinating changing job, okay. Maybe you are quite comfortable, or you are quite settled in, or you had formed that comfort zone, and you are not trying to break free out of it, and then something is going to happen which is going to make you take that decision. And definitely there are going to be new beginnings, okay. New career opportunity is what I see over here. New projects, maybe you will change project, maybe you will start something on your own, maybe you will change job altogether, but definitely new beginnings is what I see over here for some of you guys, and that's good. Yeah, King of Swords in your advice card. Now this is someone who needs to speak up their mind. Okay, now this I feel is again relating to someone over here. Okay, some see, if you it's always very much important and necessary to speak your mind. Okay, that too assertively. If you do not speak your mind, people are bound to take advantage of you guys, and I do see a little toxicity around you guys. Someone who is kind of who's a little jealous of you, who might take advantage of you. So you make sure that you set your boundaries and you speak your mind. Okay, do not let anyone take advantage of you. Okay guys, that's what I strongly feel from this advice card. In your external influences, there's this justice. Yeah, the this is the call to strike balance. Okay, so I really feel that this is for this energy, you guys who are taking too much of load, who are like burdening yourself with too much of load. You should really learn to speak up. Okay, you should really talk, and you should delegate the task that is not meant for you. Okay, do not end up taking other people's responsibilities. Do your work diligently, and let others do their work. Okay, that is what I can see over here, and that is when you'll get justice. That is when you'll balance things out. I also feel that you guys, some of you guys are definitely I feel that you guys are doing some property related work, buying new properties or selling your property, something related to property. That paperwork is going to come through, is what I strongly feel here. Yeah, definitely some legal work taking place. Okay, now this could also be an offer letter coming on for those who are looking for new jobs or new career opportunity. Yeah, the paperwork that was stuck is going to come gain pace and come through, is what I see over here. In your hopes and fears, there is this Four of Swords. Now you guys are thinking a lot about something at subconscious level. Maybe this is the job that you are thinking about. You are trying to manifest something at your subconscious level. Okay, so it's like the energy is like, even if you are doing something, your mind is somewhere else. Okay, even if you are eating food, you are thinking of that one particular thing, is what I see over here. So you are really into something. This to me also feels like someone is someone is not communicating with someone here. This is again very specific, not applicable to everyone, but yeah, I feel that you guys are kind of not talking to someone, have maybe temporarily blocked someone, or someone has blocked you. But there is definitely a halt in communication over here with someone. Okay, that's what I see over here. Yeah, in the outcome is Page of Wands. Now this definitely is I feel that, yeah, I really feel that some of you guys are going to look for new opportunities. Okay, new career opportunities. This Tower movement is going to be a game changer for you guys. Let me tell you that this is not going to be an easy transition. Okay, it's going to be something which is going to be so sudden and so unexpected, but this is like, you might be aware of this subconsciously. Okay, but you are not giving it conscious thought. You are not thinking about it, or maybe you are kind of postponing the required action, and one day the tower just comes crashing down, and then you are left with no choice but to take action. So this to me looks like you are going to think of some new idea altogether, new career opportunity. Maybe you'll be thinking of starting some business. Okay, and I feel that you guys are going to succeed in that. You'll get that right. The ball will be will be set rolling. Okay, you'll start making some progress into it, and you'll reach to whatever that is you are wanting to achieve professionally. Okay, I really strong this is more about someone's profession than personal life. Okay, but definitely new beginnings are here over I can see over here. Yeah, yes, definitely. I also feel that to those who are not in communication with someone, that person is kind of stalking you somehow. Okay, that person is wanting to reach out to you. Okay, this looks like to me a temporary glitch. Okay, and I think you guys are going to say sorry, either of you, and you guys are going to mend things. Okay, that's what I see over here in certain cases. Again, this is very specific. The energy at the bottom of the deck was that of Emperor. Now this I feel is a call for you to speak up for yourself, guys, because King of Swords and Emperor, both energies are showing here. So I feel that you need to take take the required stand for yourself. Okay, you need to you need to set your foot down. Okay, speak your mind and not tolerate anyone's BS. Okay, if anyone is trying to manipulate you somehow, personally or professionally, I think it's high time you speak up your mind, is what I see over here. Otherwise that someone is going to keep on dominating you, is what I strongly feel, guys. Yeah, Fool, the urge to break free. Now the Fool and the Tower card. Yeah, definitely this is this is end of some painful thing, some not so pleasant event, but then you're going to start afresh. Okay, Fool and Ace of Wands. Okay, this is start of something new, new chapter in your life, new phase in your life, either personally or professionally. Yeah, definitely, which will make you feel really happy and free. You know, you'll feel emotionally free. You'll be like, oh yes, this is what I was actually looking for. Okay, and that kind of energy I'm seeing over here. Yeah, Four of Pentacles, you trying to keep up to yourself, not opening up, being a little secretive. Okay, not revealing your plans, but that's fair enough, guys. That's fair enough. I don't find anything wrong in that. Okay, this could also be someone saving some money for buying something. Okay, you know, like you have certain goals, like I want to buy this car, or I want to buy this house. So you guys are preparing for that, some of you guys. Yeah. Eight of Wands, speedy communication, and Sun card. Okay, so for some of you guys, there will be a lot of communication coming in through. Now this I feel is especially related to this energy. You know, if you guys are not talking to each other now, soon there will be a lot of exchange of words. Okay, lot of exchange of words. Now I am talking about a relationship kind of energy over here. If you guys are you know, dating each other, or are in relationship with each other and were not talking to each other in for some time, note that there is going to be a lot of communication, lot of messages exchanged here. Okay, someone might also come to see you. Okay, someone might travel to see you. Maybe you are located at different locations, so either of you will travel to see the other. And there's this Sun card. It's a beautiful energy, guys. Everything is going to be fine. Okay, the sun is going to shine brightly once again on you, guys. So after getting this Sun card after this Tower energy is really a good news, guys. So know that whatever is happening, whatever toxicity or whatever negative situation is, it's just temporary and it's going to end. Okay, and the you know, brighter days are definitely there ahead for you guys. It's a lovely energy. For some of you guys, there is a child in the mix. You guys might plan a family trip, probably. Some of you, I'm saying, there might be some overseas travel for some of you guys. Yeah, you might travel overseas, some of you guys, and that too with family, is what I feel. Yeah. So yeah, so Taurus, overall it's a lovely energy. I really liked it. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay. Wow, now this card is coming right away, at least for third time. This has been coming during shuffling also, and now also it was just about to fall down. So this card definitely wants its presence to be felt. So you and your loved ones are safe. So guys, if you're worried about your family or loved ones, please don't worry, is what the universe is telling you in a very loud and clear manner. Please don't worry. There is nothing to be worried about. Everyone is safe in your family. Okay, family and friend circle. So please don't worry yourself. Have faith in your dreams. Wow, what a lovely card, guys. Those who are having some goals, career aspirations, or if you are planning to start something new in terms of career, please have faith. Even if you think that things are not progressing now, they will definitely gain momentum. Start taking those baby steps. Do not give up on your goals, is what this card is telling. Yeah, and definitely there are new beginnings, guys, in terms of career, is what I see. Let's see what we have for you guys. Oh. This card just flipped. Synchronicity. Wow, your prayers and questions are being answered by synchronistic events. Notice them in order to increase their flow. Wow, lovely message, guys. Lovely message from the universe that everything is on track. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, guys. So yeah, Taurus, I leave it at that. I really like the overall energy of this reading. Yes, there are some turbulent times, some tough times, but definitely the sun is going to shine brighter and happily on you guys. So yeah, I'm really happy with the ending that we have in this reading. So yeah, I shall leave it at that, guys. So do let me know if this resonates with you. Hit the like button, hit the share button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, so see you next month. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.